Lately, these AI-generated vlog videos are absolutely exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
Let's get crispy. Sprinkle on half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of minced ginger.
And here's the crazy part. Creating these videos is way easier than you think. You don't need any Blender skills or fancy editing experience. VEO AI literally does all the heavy lifting for you, and I will show you how you can literally use VEO Unlimited. You won't find this method on the entire YouTube. First, let me show you something that'll blow your mind. There's this channel making guerrilla vlog videos that gained 177K subscribers with just 80 videos. But here's the shocking part. Every single video is pulling hundreds of thousands of views. Their latest viral hit, posted just 10 days ago, sitting at over 400K views and still getting more than 1,000 views every single hour as we speak. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI vlogs on both mobile and PC. But first, let me tell you about something that's been a total game changer. I've built an academy that teaches real YouTube automation, not the fake stuff everyone else is selling. Here's what makes it different. You'll learn strategies that actually work and set you apart from 90% of creators out there. You get a complete script writing masterclass, a hand-picked list of 100+ profitable niches with competitor analysis, proper RPM data for each niche, plus weekly channel reviews with detailed feedback and live Q&A sessions. Gurus charge $200 just for the channel reviews alone. The feedback from students who joined has been incredible. They're loving the value and finally learning what actually works. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start building your own channel the right way, make sure to join the Academy. I will leave the link in the description. Let's get started. Biggest mistake you can make is providing VEO with poorly written prompts and wasting your precious tokens. And trust me, every single token counts. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to craft prompts so precisely that there's absolutely zero room for error or repetition. This might be the most comprehensive tutorial on the perfect niche at exactly the right time to get started before it becomes oversaturated. For creating perfect prompts and video concepts with high viral potential, we'll be using an AI tool called Virlo AI. This powerful platform not only provides deep insights into various trends and niches, but also delivers trending topics and professionally optimized prompts for video generation. When you arrive at the homepage, head to the Accounts tab where you can connect both your TikTok and YouTube channels. Once linked, Virlo will provide you with comprehensive guidelines on best practices and common pitfalls to avoid. We'll go straight to the content canvas where all the magic happens. Simply click on Create New Canvas and you'll be presented with multiple options. Select Blank Canvas and click Create Canvas to generate your workspace. From the bottom panel, you can choose between YouTube and TikTok. We'll select YouTube for this demonstration. The side panel allows you to zoom in or out of the canvas to optimize your working space. On your selected YouTube canvas, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to add links to relevant viral videos, and Virlo will analyze these viral videos' core concepts to create completely original scripts that follow the same successful patterns. You can add as many video links as desired, though I recommend including 3 to 5 links from different viral videos for optimal results. I'm now copying and pasting links from the channel World According to AI, but make sure you only add links to short-form content as this feature doesn't work with long-form videos. Once your videos are added, click on the document icon and select AI Vlogs. This will generate a box containing all the necessary prompt commands you'll need for video creation. For this process to work properly, you must first drag the pink dot from the YouTube canvas to the main canvas, then drag from the document canvas to the main canvas as well. This merging process combines both canvases at once, delivering results that significantly outperform those from ChatGPT. Now you simply need to click Generate New Script, and Virlo will handle all the complex processing. Once your content is ready, the first paragraph will contain the description of your character and plot settings, while the remaining sections will include detailed scenes, dialogues, and actions that your character will perform. Copy this entire script and paste it into a separate notepad document, where you can increase the font size for easier reading and better visibility. Now you need to search for Gemini VEO on Google and head to the first website that comes up in your search results. If you use VEO directly, the video quality won't be that good, and there's another big reason as well, which I will tell in a moment. So I strongly suggest using VEO inside Gemini for much better results and overall performance. Once you are inside the Gemini platform, you just need to paste your first prompt right here in the input field. So in your first prompt, you need to select the first plot prompt and the first scene prompt along with it, and simply paste both of them into Gemini and hit the generate button, after which your video creation process will start automatically and your final creation will look something like this.
Hey forest friends, it's Bigfoot. Today I'm venturing beyond my usual spots.
Amazing example I'm showing you, and likewise, now you need to copy and paste the second prompt, but here's the important catch that you need to understand. Now, you just need to copy the second scene prompt, and there's no need to paste the plot prompt as well. Why is this the case? Because we are using Gemini, and Gemini is smart enough to understand that we are giving it prompts that are related to that same plot we established earlier. So we don't need to provide the plot information again and again. Just provide the scene prompts one by one in the correct sequence, and that's literally all you need to do to get great results. Now coming to the best part that will save you tons of money, so pay very close attention to this crucial information. First, you will see that Google gives you 1 month completely for free, and you can easily upgrade to the Pro plan using your ATM Visa card, after which you can immediately cancel the subscription and you won't be charged anything at all, and you will get 1,000 free credits, which you can use to generate just 10 videos in total in VEO 3, which is honestly pretty awful value. But what if I tell you that you don't even need to use those credits and you can still generate way more videos using VEO 3? Yes, it sounds completely impossible, but let me tell you exactly how this works. First, upgrading to the free trial is absolutely must for this method to work properly. Then, if you use VEO 3 directly through their main interface, you will be charged credits from your account. But if you use VEO inside Gemini, as I already told you about earlier, you won't be charged even a single credit, and you can generate 3 videos every single day without any limitations. Let me prove this method to you right now so you can see it's completely real. As you can see, my credits are showing 960 right now. Now let me prove it works by writing down a prompt in Gemini VEO 3, and I will generate my video, and let's wait for it to be completely ready. And as you can see, our video is now ready and finished processing. First, watch this video to see the quality. So you can see it was an actual VEO 3 generated video with perfect quality. And now here, let me refresh my page and see it for yourself. I still have exactly 960 credits with me, even though I just generated this entire video. And like this amazing method, you can generate 3 videos every single day, which gives you not just 10 videos, but a massive 90 videos in 30 days. And you can still use your 1,000 credits as well in VEO 3 directly to generate an additional 10 videos as well, which will be a total of 100 videos in a month. Way better than just 10 videos, right? So once you have successfully gathered all the videos from your generation process, simply import all of them into CapCut for the professional editing phase. And honestly, since everything is already prepared and ready to go, there are very few complex things that you need to accomplish at this stage. Now, first of all, just place all the clips directly onto the timeline in your editing workspace. Now, I strongly suggest you focus on creating long-form videos because, as you already witnessed in the examples, long videos are consistently getting tons of organic views across all platforms, so you will be generating lots and lots of revenue simply by following this approach. Place all the clips on the timeline in proper chronological sequence, positioning one scene directly after the other so that they create a cohesive and engaging story that flows naturally from beginning to end. After completing this basic assembly, there honestly isn't really much complex work left to accomplish, so you can experiment with different techniques, but I will specifically tell you some absolutely essential steps to execute at all costs to make your videos stand out significantly from your competition. So first, you have to head directly to the filter section within CapCut and simply search for the 4K filter option and drag and drop this filter directly onto the timeline, then stretch this filter across the entire timeline to cover all your footage, and make sure to adjust and turn down its strength setting to exactly 70% for optimal visual quality. And if there aren't any captions already present in the video content, make absolutely sure to apply captions using CapCut's powerful built-in auto caption feature. This single addition will increase the engagement of your video by 10 times, and you will receive significantly more views, while your video will also appear much more professional than those other creators out there in your niche. Also, pick a visually appealing template to make things even better and more polished. And in the final stage, just add some good, soothing background music if you want to make the video even more exciting and professional for your audience. Just experiment and play around with different options if you want to customize further. And in the final step, just hit the export button to render your completed project.
Hey forest friends, it's Bigfoot. Today I'm venturing beyond my usual spots, chasing the sound of something truly mysterious echoing through these ancient trees.
I can hear water roaring in the distance, but I've never been this way before. Let's see what secrets the deep woods are hiding today.
Quick snack break. These berries are delicious and packed with energy. Always respect the forest and only pick what you'll eat.
Okay, pause steady.
Every step forward feels like I'm walking into a storybook. Look at this light. Feels almost magical, doesn't it?
Whoa.
There honestly isn't much additional need for complex editing beyond these steps. Like this, you can literally create these viral videos without compromising on either quality or quantity in your content production. Make sure to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Until next time.